Good morning. It is Sunday.
No, I'm just imagine if the fire just starts like coming underneath here. We're like, yeah! I just woke up and
Same.
whoa, camera's cool.
Right?
I got a pimple.
Swear to God. So we're gonna go to breakfast.
What's? Oh, wait.
That's cute.
Okay, look. Wait. Hi. Okay, how the fuck do I switch the camera? Okay.
Shut it.
What?
You have to stop it.
Hey there. What are you most excited about for breakfast?
Bacon and French toast sticks.
French toast sticks? French toast sticks? Yay! I want French toast sticks and home fries.
I forgot all the home fries.
Home fries!
That woman just looked at me like I was a psycho. Hello, peoples. Party peoples.
I'm reaching into my pants to get my phone and wallet.
Casual. Party peoples. I was gonna say, I could not care less about baseball if I tried. Like, if I tried. Yeah.
Unless I ever so badly wanted you to turn the camera. We have these two stars just being like, I'm a wolf.
Oh, so you're the head.
It was a picture of me going through those sprinklers. It was like, and my dad was like, oh my god. At what age did you start coming here?
I have no idea. How old was I, do you think, Mom?
Huh?
How old was I when we started coming here?
First time it came was down in Scott and them. I ain't climbing up those rocks.
No.
7? I don't know. I'll go to the other guy's house then.
Ashley, what are you?
I don't know. Might make it through this.
Wackadoodle. I'm not going that way.
Oh, look, right here.
So me and Ashley are sitting here, and they're literally having pig calling on the radio. Like, what is happening? Like, what is Maine? Like, what is Maine right now?
Maine is
Like, we're sitting here, and all of a sudden these people call in, and they're like, I'm gonna pig call. I'm like, what the fuck is happening right now?
like, imagine if like some guy went down to the street to a woman, he's like, he just like slaps him across the face, and you're like, that was a pig call. Like, is this Reba?
No, it's Sugarland. Close. Close, though.
I was just thinking of Reba's like lips.
Right?
Being like,
You were very close, though.
my name Reba, but the song,
This is the Wow, won't you stare?
that was really good.
That's what this is.
Yes. No, there's a song, we don't know what it was, but it was like Panama.
Panama.
Panama. He's like, do you want to go to do you want to go to Panama? And then he was like,
I'm comfortable here, thank you.
I'm comfortable.
In my bunk bed that I keep hitting my head on.
I know, right? And then your mom's like, what are you gonna do? And I'm like, just chill. And like, oh, on the beach? Like, literally, this is just comfy here. Like,
I know.
just the fact that we're here is just so relaxing. Even though you hit your head off the... There's a bug on the wall.
Good over there?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a slush later.
What kind?
Oh, hi. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
And you're gonna have little
Hello, raspberry.
raspberry.
Beach looks so nice today, I can't.
I need water.
We're just like casually. Thank you.
Oh, I do. Someone's shirt said rah-rah. Rah-rah.
Okay. And Ashley.
Sup. So today I think it's like a relaxing day because it's like, the weather's nice, but we woke up at like, we'll try to wake up at 8 o'clock. And Boo Boo don't wake up at 8 o'clock. I like waking up at 10:30 because I go to bed late because I am a badass bitch. No. Diet. Ooh, I go to. I wake up at 10:30 in the morning.
I know, really.
Need to do something.
Yeah.
Like, need to be productive. And I'm like, sleeping is productive. It makes me feel better.
Mhm.
You don't even understand.
You're just like casually.
What? I'm casually what?
You're just like casually behind the bag. It's like,
You're like, I'm gonna pay. I'm like, yeah.
yeah. Tan time.
Good burger. Me and Lexi are going up the
Hi. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. If I have to say it faster. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Ooh, shit, I got good at it. You try. It's you.
She's like, you try, and I was like,
You were literally like, you're like, bitch. I wonder if this is one
okay, let's not test it.
I'm not. But I really wonder.
Yes, it is. By the pop of the fire.
It's not even in the fire.
I'm saying the fire's talking to you. Saying
The fire's like, bitch, you might not want to do that. Get the smoke in your lungs and you start talking like like a
Saka.
smoker. I was gonna say stoner, and I'm like, no, stoner's like, hey, yeah, buddy boy. Fire, me, caveman. No, take it. No.
Oh, it took it from you.
Me angry at fire.
Sassy McSass.
Sassy McSass. Ooh, look how it's turning, like slowly turning white and gray.
Yeah.
That's cool. I could literally just stare at fire for hours.
See, that's what I think, and everyone else is like, that's so creepy. I'm like, why is it creepy?
You're not like, I want it to burn the whole place down.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
just
like,
like,
I love watching it burn and kill everything. Like,
I
no.
know. And then in the light, it looks cooler than the sunlight. Let's see. Hold on. I'm making the world a better fucking place, okay? Just go everywhere and do that everywhere and be like, where are these fucking smiley faces coming from? I'm like, tee 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 tee. I'm like, tee
Tee.
tee. Well, that one's far apart. Hold on. Let's see if it reaches the roof.
Oh, Lord.
Where's the roof?
Actually, someone lives there.
Well, that's the window. I was meant to get the roof though, so nobody noticed. But they probably still did. A tee-hee? Oh well. I'll say hey.
We both turn polite.
So
I'll say hi.
I don't know how that sounds so nice. Well, it sounds like pee, but it still sounds nice. Just to... I swear that fire did something to me. I put those brown things, and there was thorns on there and stuff like that. And then we started burning it, and I was like, dude. Like right now, I kind of have a headache, like a slight one, but I'm really chill.
She's like, I
Like,
think
look at
I'm
my eyes
high.
right now. Like, this is not from weed and or any recreational drug.
It's from fire.
It's from fire.
Fire.
Fire power. Peekaboo. Alcohol. Remember that?
Yes.
Oh my god. God bless. I'm a child.
Yes. Correct.
This is not accurate in any way, shape, or form. This is not accurate in any shape or form. This is not I made art. You're jealous.
Water art.
People on YouTube are like, that's not art. You're just stupid. I'm like, I know.
I know, it's stupid art.
Say that to my 3.7 GPA. And sometimes it's like, why do we have 3.7? Well, ready?
She's sleeping.
Oh,
40 seconds.
shit. I didn't even run out of breath, too. That's kind of cool.
But yeah, they do like moose calls. Pig calls.
I'm sorry, how is that a pig? A pig is like...
Yeah, I have no idea what they're doing, but we're just sitting here. Oh my god.
That's great. That's great.